Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about Chainlink. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right around here and I was saying this can be a bit of a bullish pattern and you need to be a bit more patient and wait until we get a break of this thing on the upside. Why is that? Because the move before this ranging pattern was up, we can say this only and only can be a bullish pattern, and as you can see we did get a break of it up, and the idea was that once we get a break of this thing, the target is going to be around the previous highs in here, about let's say $15 and a half. Now not only we reached to about here in a heartbeat, we also went quite a bit more higher than that. Now at first I want to talk about what is happening in this specific area starting from this point to about here, and I have a suspicion that we may have in this region an ABC in form of a running flat which looks like this. Excuse me, let's just take this one. Okay, this is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, which in it we are going to take this high and one more move down into C. And in this phase, we are not, again, very important point, we are not going to take the low of our A leg. And for our sub waves, ABC down into A, ABC, or maybe a WXY on the upside into B, doesn't really matter. And then from here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down into C. Now let's go on the live chart, see what is happening. Okay, so I think we can all say this is kind of an ABC up, and it did get confirmed when in this move down in Chainlink we took this important low about $15.2. Also, before this ABC up, I believe we may have an ABC on the downside to about here, and since this is kind of a strong move down, we can say maybe it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 and another move down into wave 5 and on a higher degree. Well, okay, these are the sub waves for an ABC in form of a flat structure, and because this is a correction down, I am hoping that after this is over we get another move up in Chainlink in order to take this high about, let's say, $16. At that point, what really matters for me is this: are we going to get a break of the ascending channel that we are currently in it beautifully? Let's just take this one. Okay, this is the lower band of the channel and this is the higher band of it, something like this one. And let's just also adjust the lines a bit, sorry about that. Okay, now as you can see in here, we did get kind of a reaction off of the highest band of the channel, but again, that doesn't really matter. What really matters is this: are we going to, in the next move up in Chainlink, get a break of the higher band of the channel and then do a consolidation above it and we get another move up in order to take this high? Because at that point I'm gonna be able to be bullish with a hell of a lot more confidence. And in this case, what's the target for it going to be? You probably know it if you have watched the previous videos. You need to first put your chart on regular scale and then measure the height of your ascending channel starting from here to about here and put it at your breaking point. Sorry about that one, my mouse is a bit glitchy. Okay, that would give us around, let's say, like an $18 to $19 Chainlink. So for now, in the short term, all eyes should be on the current move and see after it's over, are we going to have a very strong recovery in order to get out of this important ascending channel. And if we do it, it will be extremely bullish. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.